Okay, I'm going to take a nice leisurely walk through the Botanic Gardens now, since I've never been here before. That is Anzac Station there. Just saw the Victorian Premier Jacinta Allen, and there's also a well-known train spotter down there as well. So, I wonder where the Shrine of Remembrance is. It's so quiet out here. It's so peaceful. Water feature. Okay, let's take a walk. I'm going to save some footage for later on for each of the other stops. Not as excited about going to places like Arden, Town Hall or State Library because I've been there now. But I would like to go to Parkville and have a look at the metro station there. But yeah, I want to go to the Shrine of Remembrance. Where is it? Let's have a look. Okay, that's just a statue. Keep walking up this path. Thanks for watching.